The Purim story, part 1. Take one over-the-top party in Shushan, hosted by the king Achashverosh. Add a sour turn when Vashti refuses to join the party. Let's just say we don't see her again. Cue the king beginning his search for a new wife until he finds the perfect one, Queen Esther. Esther, a Jew, niece of Mordechai, marries King Achashverosh. Sprinkle in yet another banquet of extravagance to announce the new queen. Meanwhile, causing a stir were Bigtan and Teresh plotting to kill the king. You see, Mordechai would drop in daily to the royal courtyard and he overheard the plot. And Mordechai, he pours this information into the ears of Esther. Now Esther, she tells Achashverosh to make sure there's no mix-up over who saved his life. As you can imagine, the king's anger bubbled over. Bigtan and Teresh were hanged for their crimes. Mordechai's name was slotted into the book of Chronicles for having done a good deed for the king. The king announces Bigtan and Teresh's replacement, Haman. And that is the Purim story, part 1.